Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making Cowboy Coffee, the way the cowboys made it. Well, the way they made it in the old days, period. Just about everybody's seen an old coffee pot like this. And you probably often wondered, well, how did they use that? Well, I'm going to show you how they did it. And one of the weird things you notice about a coffee pot like that is there's this almost like the screen thing right here, which kind of helps catch grounds. And the thing about Cowboy Coffee is this will be the best coffee you've ever tasted in your life. And the reason that it is because they've actually overboiled it, and they boiled all the acid out of the coffee. So you can pretty much drink a lot of it without it upsetting your stomach. Now, a modern coffee pot doesn't get nowhere near hot enough for this chemical transformation to take place. And the way you want to do this is you're going to put about a quarter of the amount of water in there, and you're going to put your coffee grounds right in the water, and you're going to really boil it. Once it gets to a rapid boil, you want to boil it for about 3 minutes longer. And the coffee's going to chemically change, and the acid's going to actually boil right out. Then, once it's done boiling, to about that much water, you're going to have cold water set aside, and you're going to pour the cold water in to about the 3/4 mark on your coffee pot. And that's going to cause another chemical reaction with all the coffee grounds, which are floating in the water, are actually going to sink all the way to the bottom. And you will not get coffee grounds in your coffee pot when you pour a cup out of here, because it's all going to get heavier and sink to the bottom. And that's the way the cowboys made coffee. You might have heard it called peppered coffee, but that's the way you're going to do it. So I'm going to take my coffee pot, fill it with some water, like I said, about a quarter of the way. You don't have to use a pot like this. You can make Cowboy Coffee just in a normal cooking pan like that. I'm going to use this pot just because it's available. Now, this is a big pot, so for a pot this size, I'm going to want to use about 3 big scoops. And that's going to make it really good. And I'm going to turn my burner right on high, and I'm going to wait and listen for this to boil. And once I know I can hear it boiling and it's at a rapid boil it for about 3 minutes longer. Once the 3 minutes is over, like I said, you're going to fill it with cold water up to about right here, right at the bottom of the spout. And then you're ready for your coffee. And once I make a pot like this, I usually let it sit around for a few days and just drink it right out here because it stays good. I guarantee you it will be the best coffee you ever tried in your life. I hope you like my channel. Please subscribe.